This is a video for getting started modeling and assembling the Automata box. So we've created our standardized parts, we've created our cams. Now it's time to go ahead and model the box. In Onshape, you should have open your Automata box document. And then also you will have this document that you'll refer back to. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to download the set of plans. So if you click this image, it opens up a PDF. When it opens, click download. And then go to your document in Onshape. We are going to import those plans so that we have them and insert them into our file. So now you'll see I have two PDF documents. I can tell by the image, the icon. My Automata box drawing files are here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to read these plans and try and figure them out and model the part that you see.